What if you could unlock the full power of LPU in just 1 week? I'm challenging myself to use every major campus resources, a lovely professional university, and trust me, it's gonna change everything. Right, honorable scholars. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and this is me, Luis Daus, and let's be real. This campus is massive. If we're talking about LPU, this campus is massive, from academics to clubs to mental health supports and events. It's easy to feel like you're missing out. Yeah, it's easy to feel like you're missing out. But hidden all across LPU are resources that you could totally transform your college journey, and I'm about to explore them all. Stepping into LPU can feel like entering in a city on its own. You have got lecture halls, hostels, massive, libraries, amazing, fests, and more happening all at once. It's overwhelming, but here's the thing. You don't have to figure it all out alone. You feel me? You don't have to. Let's talk about what's really available at LPU, right? We can look at the Division of Academic Affairs. They will help you choose elective, fix your schedules, and make sure you don't miss any credits, right? There's my classroom, counseling service, get academic and mental health support in one place. Library and learning centers for peaceful studying and last-minute prep. Clubs and students organization, from dance to robotics. Find your tribe, right? Sports and wellness facilities, because your health matters too. There's literally resources of every area of students' life, and it's all right here on campus. All right here on campus. I met a senior who almost gave up in their second year. Grades were down, motivation was gone, but then they started using the writing center, joined the photography club, and even booked time with LPU student counseling. Fast forward a year, top grades, internship secured, and growing with confidence. You are already in one of the biggest, most resource-rich campus in India. Smart move, use it. Whether it's getting help with your CV from the career service sales or joining One World for culture events, it all adds up. Better grades, new friendship, less stress, more growth. You are already in one of the biggest, most resource-rich campuses in India. The smart move, use it. Whether it's getting help with your CV from your career service sales or joining One World for cultural events, it all adds up. Better grades, new friendship, less stress, more growth. So yeah, use it. If you have used any LPU experience that helped you, drop your experience in the comments below, right there. Yeah. So if you are new here, tell me which one you're excited to check first, and I'll tell you. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Coming up next, my top 5 real management hacks that every LPU student should know. Like, save, and subscribe if you don't miss it. If you don't want to miss it, come on. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, people. Yeah. So, alright, honorable scholars. Alright, honorable scholars. Thank you. So coming up next, honorable scholars, my top 5 time management hacks that every LPU student should know. Like, share, and subscribe if you don't want to miss more. And hit the subscribe button. Feel me? Alright. See you next time. Bye.